So this is Hurricane Sandy. You can't really tell because I don't have the greatest camera, but there's like sheets of wind moving across. Can't see the trees though. The trees are moving. Most of them are still in leaf though, but it's actually really creepy. It creates this updraft, so yeah. So yeah, I'm watching just these sheets of water go across vertically. That's incorrect. Horizontally. Oh, you can sort of see the flag in the distance. Anyway, the metro is shut down. Everything is shut down, and my is stopped. We'll see if I survive.